Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, August 26, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Man, we had another lousy day today. It just really is kind of discouraging. We had this great winning streak for a while, but we've hit headwind now for 4 days in a row. You can see here, down days, 4 days in a row. But today it's always bad when you get a day that starts out good and then ends pretty terrible. And that's exactly what happened today. I called the Dow up. It looked like I was absolutely correct until about an hour and maybe 90 minutes in or so. You can see here how strong this the markets went up, and then they turn here and just collapse. And this is really an ugly pattern for any market, and certainly for the Dow. The Dow ended up closing down negative 53. The problem here is I haven't read all the details, but the Fed's talking about raising interest rates. This just drives me crazy, because when the stocks are reacting this way, it doesn't take anything, just a whisper, hey, interest rate raise, and actually it would be nice if they just raised them, and the stocks would fall very hard on the day they announce that. But then we're kind of got that out of the way, but they keep dangling this out and not doing it, but just talking about it, and all it takes is for somebody to breathe wrong and down goes the market, and we just get killed in this. And of course, this is the worst possible pattern we can get, where you get the strong up at the beginning of the day. It gets us out nice. We actually we only had 2 positions. We got out of that with $1,500, but then we get into stuff. Fortunately, we didn't get into a whole lot of stuff today. We got into 5 positions, but of course all of them are negative after a thing did this, and we're down $9,000, which is a lot of money for only 5 positions. So and we don't know what's going to happen on Monday. So this is just really ugly. I hate it. And anyway, I don't know what to. I'll call the Dow up again. After all, we've had 4 days down. It ought to go up again, but then again, somebody might whisper interest rate hike, and it'll go down some more, and in fact, could go down very severely. So it's an ugly time to be trading. Hopefully, this will turn around very quickly. I don't have much to show you, but I'll show you what happened today in just one of the stocks. So we had the same pattern, and in all 5 positions we got into. This is Tronics. Look at this. It gaps up, and we go up there and we buy the high tick of the day. I mean, don't you love that? When we buy the high tick of the day, we buy the high tick of the day. It turns. This is following the Dow almost perfectly. Down, 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 down it goes. And we get done for the day. We're down $3,000 in Tronics. And then we got 4 other positions to worry about, which are basically doing the same thing. So, bad Friday. Could have been Friday the 13th as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, you guys have a great weekend. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here on Monday.